It is time to wake up. It is time to wake up. Sophie opens her big eyes. Sophie opens her big eyes. Barnaby licks her messy face. Barnaby licks her messy face. Time to find some socks. Time to find some socks. Where is the yellow sock? Where is the yellow sock? The dog has the sock. The dog has the sock. Give that back to me. Give that back to me. Barnaby runs away very fast. Barnaby runs away very fast. Come here, you silly dog. Come here, you silly dog. Sophie catches the little dog. Sophie catches the little dog. Pull the sock on tight. Pull the sock on tight. Now we need some pants. Now we need some pants. Stand on your right leg. Stand on your right leg. Sophie starts to wobble now. Sophie starts to wobble now. Do not fall down, Sophie. Do not fall down, Sophie. Oops, she hits the floor. Oops, she hits the floor. Barnaby tilts his round head. Barnaby tilts his round head. That was a funny fall. That was a funny fall. Let us try that again. Let us try that again. Pants are finally on now. Pants are finally on now. Put your head through here. Put your head through here. It is very dark inside. It is very dark inside. Sophie is stuck in there. Sophie is stuck in there. Help me out, please, Barnaby. Help me out, please, Barnaby. Barnaby pulls the shirt down. Barnaby pulls the shirt down. I can see you now. I can see you now. You are a good boy. You are a good boy. Look in the big mirror. Look in the big mirror. My hair is very messy. My hair is very messy. Brush the hair very smooth. Brush the hair very smooth. Now I look very pretty. Now I look very pretty. Barnaby wants a hat too. Barnaby wants a hat too. It covers his big eyes. It covers his big eyes. He looks like a potato. He looks like a potato. We laugh together very loud. We laugh together very loud. Find the small brown shoes. Find the small brown shoes. Tie the laces in bows. Tie the laces in bows. One bow for each shoe. One bow for each shoe. Barnaby bites the shoelace now. Barnaby bites the shoelace now. No biting the laces, please. No biting the laces, please. Give me a big hug. Give me a big hug. I love you, my friend. I love you, my friend. We are ready to go. We are ready to go. Open the big white door. Open the big white door. The sun is very bright. The sun is very bright. Let us have an adventure. Let us have an adventure. Walk slowly into the sun. Walk slowly into the sun.